First Sunday drive in this thing. And plus, I might want to talk to them about a new car I might buy.
Well, switch to Beetle.
First Sunday drive in this thing. As you can see, I added a little banner to make it a little more shady. It looks really cool. The Yokohama tires. Just, it's not sponsored though. If you want
We'll
to sponsor
finally
us,
see it in daylight.
you can finally see it in daylight. Besides the reels I put up, but it's gonna be sick.
These other talks, I heard enough of it. Like, what you gonna do? Where you at? Who you with? You ain't really about this. Don't talk about it. Really on the move, on the map, never slip. Keep your hands to your lips. Don't talk about it. Real eyes, real lies, all the time. Stand on it. If we said it, we don't walk around it.
So today we're headed to the Autocar. Actually, Autocar? No, wait, hold on. The Turtle Wax Modern Classic Car Rally / Show by Autocar. Finally, we got it right. So Turtle Wax is their sponsor. Autocar is put this amazing show together with modern classic cars. Now, if you want to ask what's a modern classic, this doesn't qualify because they don't want any photos this year. But cars like my Nissan 300CX will be there. My buddy Joey has it. I think he's sending it out. NSX might be there. The Supras, there's gonna be Supras there. E46 M3s, some more cool cars. So stay tuned for that. So yeah, it's gonna be a fun time. I love modern classics because I own a few of them. But yeah. Let's go.
Don't do that, we the best coming out of BK, I thought you knew that. Step up in the function, all these women like who that got me looking like money.
The boost is actually on the low setting than last time. Oh shit, I installed it. The boost is actually on a lower setting than last time. Last time we were running about 14 pounds, and now it's on like 9 pounds. Woo. Working just for you. Nice and cool. You know what I love about this car? $4,000, 97 octane, almost a full tank. That's a half a tank in the LX or M3, so I'm happy with that. Alright, so the first supercar I ever saw when I first moved to America, the car that actually made me fall in love with cars was this Dodge Viper. So yeah, so it's the one that started it all.
Thank you.
What's up? What's up, bro? Hi.
Well, switch to B-roll.
Some car just turned into the bike lane or the lane of the biker. It was the car's fault this time. You know, usually these bikers be acting up, but that time was definitely the car's fault. So right now we're just gonna continue the rest of the rally, hopefully. Hey, that's a electric. Wow.
Let's go.
So right now we're pulling up the auto hangar. We're gonna say hi to our buddies. So the weekend tour guys are there. Plus the coffee at auto hangar.
Oh yeah.
Can't go wrong with that. And plus I might want to talk to them about a new car I might buy. Well, did you know the A45S
Oh, yeah, I
is
saw that.
coming to India? Oh, damn, I just scraped my bucket. But possibly an M3 replacement. Who knows? It's always on the cards to replace the M3. I don't know. Let's see. From a V8 to a 4-cylinder. So we just stopped by Auto Hangar, say hi to the boys. Well, Rishabh just got a new S-Class, so we came to see that. And then Mr. Dubey just pulled up, so we're gonna meet up with the rest of the boys, and we have a very special, hopefully he brings it out, our buddy Mr. Varun Dattani, who has a 6063. He just got a paint job, so he's gonna unveil it right now to the world and you guys. So remember where you saw it first.
Go dummy, go beast on them. I go beast. Go deep, I OD on them. I OD. Apply pressure, put heat on them. Put that 500 degrees on them. 500 degrees. Go dummy, go beast on them. I go beast. Go deep, I OD on them. I OD. Apply pressure, put heat on them. Put that 500 degrees on them. 500 degrees.
Probably done a very long day. We've been
Yeah.
out since what, 8:30?
Yeah.
9 o'clock? And it's 3:15 right now. So we've been out for a while. Yeah. Can't wait to go home and sleep. Well, it's probably gonna drink probably like a few gallons of coffee, cold coffee, and probably edit some videos, hopefully, right, Will? Modern car classic, modern classic. Modern classic car rally. It's pretty good, you know. Honestly, but with the traffic and everything, they flagged off the show very late. They should have just done a car show instead of a rally, or even had the rally earlier in the day or something. But it was cool to see those cars, some really cool cars from all over India. Most of them from Mumbai, but there are some cars that came from other parts of the country as well. So definitely cool sight to see, and we definitely need more shows like that, you know, coming up. Took the Evo out for his first Sunday drive after the new paint job, and really got good feedback from everyone. Everyone saw it in flesh. Everyone said that it definitely looks way better in person than it does in pictures. And Roel, how's the sound? Oh man, that blow off valve, the turbo, it was so fun. But a lot, even my friend Rishabh sat in it. He's like, honestly, as a passenger, it's so fun to get a ride in.
Experience it.
Yeah, experience it. And that sound. And we got the AC working perfectly. I can actually daily drive this car. I'm like, I need a sound system now. See you guys in another episode. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Like I said before, 60 to 65% of you guys watching this video aren't even subscribed. Like, I don't know why. Like just go ahead and hit the subscribe button. It'll take you like 2 seconds. Like by the time you blink your eye, you're already subscribed. And like the video too while you're at it. If you don't want to subscribe, at least like the video. And just comment your favorite color or today's weather, or I don't know, like favorite car brand. Just comment whatever. Just make the algorithms go good, you know, in our favor. So yeah. Roel's looking at me because we're on a bumpy road and the suspension's real bumpy, so the video's probably not stabilized. But yeah. See you guys soon. Take care, and thanks for your support. We met a lot of Horsepower Cartel fans today.
Oh yeah, today a lot of
A
them.
lot of them, you know. And you guys honestly give us motivation to keep doing this. What do you think, Will?
Yeah,
It's a good feeling.
Definitely.
So, and a lot of you, when you shake my hand, you guys are like shaking and stuff. So, chill out. I don't bite. Roel might bite. I don't know.
No,
I don't bite.
Shut up.
I'm a very nice guy.
Yeah.
But yeah, man. Thanks for the support. See you guys soon. Complimenting with this guy. Some powers like, hey man, what a car, man. Oh, you don't know, bro. Paul Walker drove same car.